Kalimera everyone, welcome to Philo for Thoughts, Voices of Generation, a tribute to 200 years of Greek independence. We now welcome Yanni Papastefanou, who will sing the Greek national anthem.
Σε γνωρίζω από την κόψη του σπαθιού την τρομερή. Σε γνωρίζω από την όψη που με διαμετράει τη γη. Απ' τα κόκαλα βγαλμένη των Ελλήνων τα γερά και σαν πρώτα ανδριωμένη χαίρε ελευθεριά και σαν πρώτα ανδριωμένη χαίρε ελευθεριά και σαν πρώτα ανδριωμένη χαίρε ελευθεριά.
Of course, it isn't a proper Greek Independence Day without the infamous marching of the Greek Presidential Guard. And now we welcome the Evzones. I'm Crystal Budis, CEO of Philo for Thought. The idea of today's video is to let the beauty and stories of our people shine through by having young professionals and young professional leaders from all walks of life contribute their vision of the impact that being Greek or Greek American has had in shaping and inspiring their lives. Those who know me understand that being Greek and Greek Orthodox is more than just a geographic or cultural distinction. It pervades every aspect of who I am and how I approach everything in work and in life, as a child, a parent, a teacher, a mentor, all of it. Being Greek is the inspiration and motivation that fills me with the strength to laugh off blooper moments, and there are many, to try harder and move forward at times when others would normally just fold because of a challenge or difficulty. It's the sense of parea, of family, of philotimo, that is essential to a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Being
Happy Greek Independence Day, everyone. I just want to say thank you to Philo for Thought for hosting this wonderful event to commemorate and honor our independence. Ζήτω η Ελλάδα.
This year, since we couldn't come together to celebrate the Bicentennial, we cast a wider net and contacted several Hellenic young professional community leaders from across the U.S. to ask them one question: what does it mean to be Greek American? Here's what they shared.
Being Greek to me means celebrating the customs and traditions of my ancestors so that I never forget where I came from.
Hi everyone, my name is John Palvaspanos from the Hellenic American Chamber of Commerce. Being Greek American means I have a duty to examine my cultural heritage to better understand what it means to flourish as an individual and a society. It is the opportunity to draw inspiration from my family's own immigration story and the Greek way in order to work hard, live well, and actualize my potential.
Hello everyone, my name is Nico Leodakis and I'm the current president of the Peng Youth Association. On March 25th, we celebrate a historic moment in our Greek history, 200 years of independence. I am so proud of my heritage. Being Greek means so much more to me than my ancestral background. We are a community connected through history, education, philotimo, and culture. I'm incredibly proud of my Greek roots. Like Theodoros Kolokotronis said, Ζήτω οι σοφοί διδάσκαλοι, ζήτω η ελληνική νεολαία.
Being Greek to me means leading by example with a frappe in hand and drawing pride and strength from my roots.
To me, being Greek is a gift that keeps on giving, and it's a responsibility to meet the standards set by my ancestors.
Being Greek to me means so many things. It means being a good human being, to have philotimo within your heart. It means being a good son, a good brother, a good uncle. Means being proud. There's so many things that being Greek means, and I'm very blessed to know that and to feel it.
To me, being Greek gives me a strong sense of community and a culture I truly appreciate and am proud to share with others.
Being Greek to me means being surrounded by so much family, so many friends, and always having an abundance of delicious things to eat.
What it means to be Greek American. As a first generation Greek American, I'm extremely honored by my Greek lineage. I was fortunate enough to be taught our language by my parents who always spoke Greek to me. I also grew up in a home of deep Orthodox faith, which is something that guides me today. I try to impart the importance of our faith and traditions to my family. I also inherited a deep love of Greek music from my mother, who was a professional singer. I have passed this on to my niece and nephew, who also sing and perform Greek music. I am very proud to be a Greek American, and I sing to perpetuate my heritage and share my passion for Greek music with my beloved homogenia. Thank you.
This concludes our notorious GID 2021. Many thanks to all those who assisted in the production of this video and to those who sacrificed to make this landmark day possible. We hope you enjoyed this year's video and that you'll each find your own way to celebrate the bicentennial anniversary of our amazing Hellenic culture, faith, and traditions with your family and friends. We invite you now to check out our photo and video galleries of past parades and celebrations, which are available on our YouTube and Facebook links. At this time, we would like to recognize those who inspire and motivate others year-round, encouraging us to strive for excellence with the wisdom, dignity, and exuberant perseverance modeled by Greeks across the world. May we follow their example to contribute to society with every fiber of our being, as they do.